Akbar. We're doing it today, man. We're doing it today. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. That's amazing, man. MashaAllah. I'm really happy to see you, brother.
I got this from the One Message Foundation.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. May Allah reward the brothers from One Message Foundation that and Islam Chat, the ones that fulfill the orders. That's amazing. Warner's going to give you some gifts, man. This guy's like the halal Santa Claus. We don't believe in Santa. I'm just
about your
kidding.
journey though, like you know, obviously you're here now, but how did you get here?
Man, it's crazy. Like it's such a long journey. You know?
Well, what piqued your interest in Islam?
I think. My bad, bro. I didn't mean to get emotional like that.
No, it's all good, brother. It's all good.
It is. It's a beautiful thing,
man.
man.
On the line, bro. Give me a hug, bro. Give me a hug. We're here for you, bro. We're here for you, bro.
Oh yeah, I know. I was like atheist for the longest time. You know, just atheist.
Let me put this on you, right? We want everybody to benefit from your journey, man. Hold up real quick.
Yeah, I was like atheist for a long time, and it was like kind of like hard.
Empty, huh?
Yeah, for sure. It was like kind of hard to believe there was anything out there. You know, like just like you know, we all have thank you, bro. Thank you, much love. It was kind of like hard to think there was anything out there. You know, I think we all have our like life experiences. We all go through things and stuff like that, and it just got to a point where I just like didn't believe there was anything. You know, I just like nah, like there's no way. You know, like how could there be so much, you know, stuff going on? But no, yeah, like.
But when you came to that belief, did it lead you to depression?
Absolutely, yeah, for sure.
Look, like for instance, now that you believe in Allah, do you believe Allah is the one true God?
Absolutely.
Okay, look at like how your body is shaking, bro.
Yeah.
Like literally, Allah is about to save you away from that depression, away from that darkness, and bring you into the light, bro.
I know, and it's crazy because like sometimes like I feel bad because like just like Ramadan just passed, and man, like I already missed it. You know what I mean? Like it was just like, and I was really hoping. I know, I was just like really hoping to not like go back into like making the same mistakes, you know, and like I've been, you know, I have been making some mistakes. Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah, when it comes to making mistakes, you have to understand, my brother, that Islam is a journey, right? It's a purification process. So when you accept Islam, you can't expect to be perfect right away.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure.
It's going to be a process, bro. It's like, you know, when you go in the river, right, and you go take a shower, you're getting all that dirt off of you, right?
Yeah.
Same way, when you pray, you're getting all that filth away from you. You know what I'm saying? All the darkness from the past is getting rubbed away.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But one of the greatest ways to get rid of all the darkness of the past is accept Islam, do your shahada. Because when you officially do your shahada, right, now you decided to put all that behind you and now accept the new reality. You know what I'm saying, my brother?
Yeah, for sure. No, yeah, I do. I know. I'm just happy. I'm just happy that I
No,
got
man,
to
we're
pull up.
happy for you, bro. We're happy for you. The fact that, you know, I could just see, I could see it.
Yeah, for sure.
How long have you been on this journey for now?
I would say like probably like 7 months.
Okay.
7 months. Well, like I guess the whole like searching for God journey has been longer than that, you know. But like I just got to a point where like I just felt something saying like just find the truth, you know, seek the truth, seek the truth, seek the
What
truth.
led you to Islam though?
That's the crazy part, like. And it sounds crazy saying that out loud, but like I didn't want to be Muslim, you know what I mean? Like I didn't want to be Muslim, like because you hear all these like misconceptions and stuff, you know. But like I just want to find the truth. I want to find God. So I decided like, you know what, like I don't want to be like closed-minded. I want to be open-minded. I want to like learn about all the religions. And I guess I was like I grew up Catholic, not super religious, but like my family was Catholic, you know. So then I just started to like read the Bible again, and then I started to her grandma was actually like a Messianic Jew, you know? So like I started learning just about a whole bunch of different religions. And then eventually I was like, man, I gotta get to Islam, you know? But like with all the misconceptions, I was just like
dancing around all the other
religions. Exactly.
You were trying to save it for last or something.
Yeah, like I was like, there's no way that's gonna be the one, you know? Like I think there's just
You're almost gonna put it to the side.
Yeah. Huh? But then I ended up downloading the Quran app on my phone, and like I just started like reading it, and then I was reciting it out loud, and then when they recited it, I was just like, yo, like I felt it right away, like with the Bible and stuff.
Do you know why? Because these are the words of God speaking directly to your soul, bro.
I felt
and your soul has been waiting for that, bro. Been waiting a long time, bro. So you gave what your soul is craving, bro.
Yeah.
But continue.
So then once I started like reading, or once I started like hearing the Quran, like I was like I had to like, you know, buy one, and then just like by Allah's will, like I saw like you on like my TikTok, and I had never seen no religious stuff on my TikTok before. You know what I mean? I started seeing like Sheikh Uthman here on my TikTok, and I was just like, whoa, like this is.
And then you ordered the Quran from him,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I found it on Google. I just searched up like free Quran. I saw you guys giving them away, so I assumed like maybe you guys had a website.
Yeah,
If you're not Muslim and you're watching this, order one. Like the
Yeah,
brother,
for sure.
man. It's free.
So now I've like read the entire thing, and it's I don't know. It's been an awesome journey. And
That's
right now I
awesome.
saw you guys were in Long Beach, and I was like, what do you guys?
Allah brought us here for you.
You know,
There's
this
no
was,
accident.
because you know, this was the last second plan too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So subhanallah. Well, yeah, continue.
But Allah brought us here for you, man. So let's do this, inshallah, man. Let's do your shahada, man. You ready?
You know, this is actually my fiance. She actually wants to take her shahada as
How you
well.
doing? What's your name, sister?
That's wonderful.
Melina?
Emily.
Emily. Okay, Wahab. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you.
Emily, you already know about Islam. Any questions? You're good?
Okay,
Any questions?
how about like we go over both of the things together with both
Let's
of them?
do it.
Yeah, come closer,
Ready?
sister. Come closer. Yeah.
We're going to do it together, all right? So Arabic first or English first?
Let's do Arabic first.
Arabic first.
Yeah.
I like it, man. Lead it, bro.
Okay. Just repeat after me. Just one finger up. This signifies the one God. Okay. So ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha. You can
Ilaha.
repeat after me too, sister.
Okay.
Okay. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
How you doing?
Illallah.
You know about
illallah
Islam?
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
Allahu
wa
Akbar.
rasulullah.
I
Allahu
bear
Akbar.
witness
I bear witness
there's
The
no
other brother,
God
it's your
There's no
turn.
God
but Allah.
but
It's
Allah,
his
And I
turn.
bear witness
and I bear witness
the Prophet Muhammad
the Prophet Muhammad
is the servant
the servant
and messenger of
and
Allah.
messenger of Allah.
MashaAllah.
Allahu
Look
Akbar.
at this love, bro. Look at this
That's
love, bro.
right, man. Give me a hug, brother. MashaAllah.
We would hug you
Sister.
too.
Alright, we're gonna give you
Thank
guys
you, brother.
some gifts.
Welcome to Islam, man.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome to Islam, man.
Yes, any color you like. So take the pink. That's good.
I knew she was gonna go for the pink
Yeah.
one. Okay, which one do you want, brother? She took the pink one already.
no,
you know what I'm saying? So you can't take that one.
I mean, I already have one. I don't know.
No, please just take one. These are from Mecca. Here, this is a gift from me to your sister.
No, take one. Take one, bro. You never know. Keep one in the car. You know, you're
Okay.
traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is a prayer guide that teaches you how to worship the Most High.
thank you.
Okay.
This is a gift from me as well for both of you. You want one each?
Yeah. Thank
Take
you.
one, inshallah. And then if you want any more to give out to anybody else you want, they're all free.
This is Spanish one?
Yeah, this is Espanol, see.
I'll take one
These
of
are
these.
really good in Spanish too. If you want to give
Okay.
these out. You know,
Maybe
there's
to your
really-
family members and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, okay, now when it comes to your family, how is that situation?
Well, it's actually crazy because my mom like actually recently accepted Islam as well.
No way.
Allahu
And, like,
Allahu Akbar.
that's-
Whole
Can we,
family.
let's get her a
Whole
gift too,
family,
bro.
Allahu
which
Akbar.
I gave her a clear Quran because
Yeah, give her a prayer mat.
Okay.
Let's get her a prayer mat. What color do you think she's gonna like?
probably like light blue maybe.
So this is for her.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
yeah.
you.
Continue with your story.
No, but yeah, like
Your mom accepted Islam as well.
yeah, my
Allahu
mom
Akbar,
she,
the whole
she,
family
she lives in
Muslim.
Mississippi. Yeah,
Oh,
she lives in
amazing,
Mississippi.
amazing.
She lives in Mississippi, and like she just recently visited, and that's when I gave her the Quran because
Okay.
like she wants to read into it, and like she was like looking into religions as well. Like
Look at you doing that one too, bro.
I know,
That's
man.
amazing. Look at that, bro.
yeah,
That's blessed that you guys have both become Muslim together, man.
yeah, no, yeah, like everything worked out so good. Like I was just like I'm so grateful because
You're
when
gonna start
I
a family together.
Yeah.
You're gonna be on the same page.
when I
It's
was
gonna be blessed children.
Exactly.
Blessed children.
Good family.
because when I was first like even looking into it, like I was kind of nervous to even tell her, and then like when she started reading into it, she was like, yo, like this is
That's so
It makes
beautiful. I'm
sense,
so
right?
happy for you
It
guys.
makes sense. I mean, Islam is a fitra, right?
Yeah.
It's a natural state of being. That's why it makes sense. Anybody with an open mind that reads it becomes Muslim.
Yeah.
It's only people that have like a disease in their hearts and you know blockage in their mind that they stay away from it.
yeah.
So we hope other people like yourself, man, pick up a Quran, read it, open your heart, and Allah will guide people. You know.
Yeah.
That's something so beautiful. Allah, I'm so happy for you guys. It's the greatest day of your life. It's the first day of your new life. Your past is wiped out. You have that direct connection with the Creator now. You've got prayer mass. You've got to learn how to pray. Let me get Brother Arturo. You exchange number. Are you in Long Beach? or-
How's it going, brother? Oh, thank you, brother.
We're Long Beach.
He'll hook you up, bro.
562.
The mic's off.
Oh yeah.
We want to dox your number, bro. You're gonna get people trying to, right?
She's gonna get pissed, you know what I mean?
Allahu Akbar. 5 shahadas. man. Which one's it?
ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني